Hey, hi, how are you? Um, my name is not really important, but I guess this video isn't so you better shut it. Because the thing is, yesterday was a really boring day, so I went to feed this bird that keeps coming to my house. And this is what happened. There's the bird. Ah! Like, seriously, bird? I was just trying to help you, feed you, because I'm sure in that forest you ain't got shit to eat. Okay, bird? Okay? Don't try to kill me next time, okay? I'm turning such bad right now. Like, I'm so desperate. I need some man. Okay. Never mind that. You didn't see that, okay? Yeah? Yeah, we cool? Yeah. Well, that's it, guys. That was a rooster, and I'm gonna go.